Hey everybody, today I'm working on a Jaguar XK8 and the car came in and had no fuel pressure. So the fuel tank is in the back here and this is the sending unit. The fuel pump is up in here. So we started checking it out and I bought these relays that have an on-off switch. So first thing I did is I made sure that the original relay right here was working and powering up number 7 fuse right here. See, it's powered up and I can cut it off. So these bypass relays really come in handy to check stuff. All right, so then from there I said, okay, I have power going through the fuse. From the fuse it goes to the fuel pump, and I saw that wire connector right here that I have unplugged. So I went ahead and I back probed the wire. I found out the wire is this one here. Let me turn it back on. And I found out this is the wire here. Kind of hard to do with one hand to get it up in there. All right, so there, we have power there. And then when I went to probe the other side, I had power and then I heard the fuel pump click. I'm like, what? So then I came down here and I clicked my switch a couple times and it was working. I'm like, huh, I wonder what's going on. So I unplugged the connector and see right there, that black spot, the connector has burned up. The fuel pump connector has burned up. So now I have to replace these 2 pigtails, which I doubt I'll be able to get to repair the car. So I think what I might do is I might just cut the wire here and cut the wire here and run a bypass so the fuel pump will work. The car's, 26 years old. There's no sense, and you'll never get this connector, so I'll just repair it so it works. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.